Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Abdullah and I'm from Vidio. So in this part, I'm going to retell about the video. So in this project, I'm going to tell you about the elements design which focus the use of color. And then color is a key part of the success of any project, and it's the most personal and emotional of all the elements. For example, psychological studies that look at how color affects body temperature, and then heart rate, and then brain activity, and emotional state. And color states that the color of an environment can have a big effect of heart rate and emotional feelings. And then he presents research to back up those ideas. So for example, is a very bright color with a lot of intensity, especially red and yellow, and then tend to excite people more. And then while white or gray wall seem to cause the opposite reactions, and then they create a feelings of boredom or depression. So the next is, and there are also learned responses to a color that you were taught by your culture. And I'll give the example. So the first example is colors you associate with holidays or your favorite sports team. And then pink is for girls, blue is for boys. That kind of thing. People from the same culture often respond to color in the same way. Researchers have studied these psychological and learned responses to color in many ways. And they studied things like how colors impact business like stores and restaurants in terms of customer buying behavior and service satisfaction. And then it turns out that this is very interesting. And then here there is a color wheel. So the first is warm colors like red, orange, and yellow. You can see there in the top right areas, those are stimulating and dynamic. So they are good for rooms where there will be a lot of activity or you want to encourage activities. And then like child playroom, for example, warm color also make a room feel psychically warmer. And then cold colors like blues, green, and violet, they're on the bottom left. Those tend to be calming, and then they associate with relaxation and activities that require deep thought. And then be careful though, because they can also feel depressing and heavy. Cool colors also seems to lower the cycle temperature of a room. And then now, color harmony, the ways color feel together. Color harmony can be difficult because most colors are not pure, and they may mix blue with black to make navy blue, or they may mix it with purple to get royal blue. So most colors are actually a combination of colors. And the last is, in these mixtures, the dominant color is the main color we identify, and the small amounts of other colors or black or white or gray, they are mixed with the pure color. Those are called the undertones. Identifying the nature of understandings of a color, first step to creating color harmony, because generally speaking, different color with similar undertones tend to harmonize the best. And then I think this is enough for my retell, and then I'm sorry for our mistake, and thank you for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.